Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm out here working on the dart today. I got the dart up on ramps with assistance from the old rusty ram, and we're gonna get started on this transmission. It just started kind of sleeting, snowing, raining on me, so hopefully I can get it before it gets too awful wet. But let's get started. Thanks for watching. Here's where we're at now on this pan. You can see where it's leaking. It's leaking around here. So I'm gonna have to go in here and I gotta remove this line. Hopefully I can just take it out of here and not take it all the way off. It seems like last time I did have to take it all the way off though. Let's see, it's leaking. Drip. But a pretty good amount under here. It's all the way up. Leaked all the way up here. But let's start taking this apart. All right, so I've got this bracket off here. My kick down out of the way. I did have to take that coolant line loose because I couldn't get it out. I couldn't move it around enough. But what I'm looking at now is I'm wondering, I didn't think it was, but now I'm unsure. I'm wondering if it's not leaking from that shaft right here. Because if you look, I done wiped a lot of it off. There's a lot of fluid above the gasket, and there was actually a lot right in there. Alright, so I'll let this drain out slowly, because if I take it out of the bolt out, it's all going to gush out the back, and my pan's not big enough. So we'll just let it drip until it stops dripping, and then I'll come back and check on it again. This stuff's expensive. I want to catch as much of it as I can. Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry for the abrupt end of the last segment there. I got was letting oil drain out, and I got a piece of rust or dirt or something in my eye, so I just had to cut the video and go inside and get it out real quick. But while I was in there doing that, the oil or the transmission fluid's been dripping, and I think it's about dripped out, so I'm gonna go ahead and get back underneath here, and I'll finish pulling that pan off. Alright, so I'm back. I'll tell you what, the thing I hate the most about not having a garage is this daggone mud. I don't mind working on the ground, but this daggone mud. I'm going to leave about one thread in that, because I know that pan is going to be full. I'm going to try my best just to dump it out this back corner. Want to loosen that one up a little. It's not as bad as I thought it'd be. I figured it'd pour out. Let's go ahead and get this one out, and we'll try to very easily lower it down so I don't spill it everywhere. Oh crap, I'm missing. Need my pen back. Try to save on this stuff. There wasn't a whole lot in it. The majority of it had leaked out because that was a full system, and this is probably not even 2 or 3 quarts left. All right, let's go ahead and get that valve body out of there. There we go. So it's off. So now I just need a 7/16. No arm stuck. I'm a big guy, and this is not easy. Alright, so I need a 7/16. I can't remember. I think it's these three, and those 4 to take the valve body out. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm still working on this thing. I'm having the awfulest time getting this parking lever out. And I'm not really sure why I can't get it out. But I'm gonna keep digging away at it. The seal is gonna be a bear to get back in. It actually presses in from the top. So I guess I mean, it wouldn't be bad if the transmission was out of the car, but I'm not pulling the transmission out of the car for one seal. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to drive it out from the bottom, and in the new one, I'll just get a washer, put it on a bolt, and then try to press it in through, through here. I'll put a nut on the back side with a washer, and then just tighten it up, and hopefully I can press it in without crushing it. That's the best way I can think to do it, because I'm not pulling this old transmission out for one seal. Let me keep working on this parking brake, or the parking lever, and I will there's no point in me doing this on camera because you can't see anything anyway. So let me see if I can't get it out, and I'll be right back. All right, so I got this pan cleaned up, and I got it out here on a flattest surface that I have. I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'll show you. I figured out why this thing's leaking. All right, if you look, so it's pretty, it's flat. I don't know if you can tell in the camera or not. Or, yeah, you can. It's all flat. If you push on this corner, it wobbles. This corner right here, and this is the corner it was leaking from, is raised up. So all this is flat on the surface, but this is not. So that's where my leak's coming from. So it may not have been that shaft seal after all, but I've came this far. I might as well replace it now. But I guess I'll be ordering that new pan after all. There's my coil from yesterday's video. I put another coat on it. I'm not sure why. It may just be but the paint's not sticking the greatest. You can see the yellow through it, and I got a big run in it. But it'll be alright. I can stick that side down. It'll be alright. But yeah, so this pan is scrap metal. Alright guys, so I finally won the battle. I got the seal out. I never did get that stupid parking rod out of the way. I can't get it out. I don't understand why it won't come out. I went back and looked at the pictures and stuff of when I took the transmission apart and cleaned it and redid the valve body, and it came right out then. So I'm not sure why it won't come out now, but I ended up getting aggravated, and I just took the little C-clip off that attaches it to the shift lever. So it's still in the transmission. I'll just have to, whenever I put it back in, I'll just have to put the C-clip back in. But I got it out. I'm gonna take the valve body and clean it up, and I gotta order one of these. And it doesn't look super bad, but it's pretty hard. So I mean, it's pretty hard. You can see it's brittle. I cracked. Camera won't focus. I cracked it right there, just taking it out. So it's pretty hard. So we'll go ahead and replace it. I'm gonna get this valve body out and look at the seal. I know there's another seal in between the kick down shaft and the gear locator shaft. So I'm gonna check that seal out. I'm not really sure how to take it out, but if I can, I'll get it out and I'll go ahead and replace it too. But I'm gonna get one of these ordered. I can't talk today. Get it ordered and get everything cleaned up, and that'll wrap this one up. I got a bunch of editing to do because this is kind of a mess out here today. I didn't really get a lot of good footage like I was hoping to. Everything just kept going wrong, and it's muddy. I'm rolling around in the mud. I'm soaking wet. You can see the transmission fluid all over me. That's part of the fun. I'm out here with my dogs working on these old cars. All right, thanks for watching. Restore them, don't crush them.